What's going on, Central Florida? It's me, Mikey Pipes. Check out this ultra efficient Bosch inverter heat pump outdoor condensing unit. This is the Bosch Bova 60. It's a 5-ton heat pump inverter. Forget about your single or dual stage central air conditioning systems. This thing has over 80 speeds on the inverter. And best yet, this wall-mounted bracket for this condenser is one of the only approved air conditioning wall mount brackets for the state of Florida. It meets and exceeds the building commission's requirements.